Welcome back to Eat Clean Daily. Today, I'm sharing a simple, delicious, and protein-packed breakfast recipe that is perfect for busy mornings. This cottage cheese egg bake is creamy, flavorful, low in carbohydrates, and packed with protein to help keep you full and satisfied for hours. If you are looking for a healthy breakfast that supports clean eating, balanced blood sugar, and a high-protein lifestyle, this recipe is a great option. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup cottage cheese, 4 large eggs, 1/3 cup egg whites, 1/4 cup shredded mozzarella or cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons chopped green onions, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 2 teaspoons everything bagel seasoning, a pinch of salt and black pepper, extra everything bagel seasoning to sprinkle on top before baking. These simple ingredients come together to create a delicious breakfast that tastes like a savory bagel-inspired dish without the heavy carbs. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 1 cup of cottage cheese into a blender. Blend the cottage cheese until it becomes smooth and creamy. Blending the cottage cheese gives this recipe a soft, rich texture and helps create a delicious egg bake without needing flour. Next, add the 4 large eggs and 1/3 cup of egg whites. Blend everything together until well combined. The combination of whole eggs and egg whites gives this breakfast a great balance of protein while keeping it light and satisfying. Now pour the mixture into a bowl. Add your shredded mozzarella or cheddar cheese. Then add the chopped green onions, garlic powder, onion powder, and everything bagel seasoning. Season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Mix everything together until all the ingredients are evenly distributed. The garlic, onion, and everything bagel seasoning give this dish a delicious, savory flavor that makes it taste like a breakfast favorite. Prepare a baking dish by lightly greasing it or lining it with parchment paper. Pour the mixture into the dish. Before baking, sprinkle a little extra everything bagel seasoning on top for extra flavor and a beautiful finish. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the center is fully set and the top is lightly golden. Every oven is different, so check the center with a toothpick or knife. It should come out clean. Let's talk about why this breakfast is a great healthy choice. Cottage cheese is a wonderful source of protein and contains important nutrients like calcium. It helps make this recipe creamy while adding extra nutrition. Eggs provide high-quality protein and healthy fats that help support energy and fullness. Using egg whites adds more protein while reducing the amount of fat and calories. Green onions, garlic, and seasonings add lots of flavor without adding extra sugar or unnecessary ingredients. This recipe is also naturally low in carbohydrates, making it a great choice for people who are watching their carb intake. You can enjoy this cottage cheese egg bake by itself or serve it with fresh avocado slices, a side salad, roasted vegetables, fresh berries for a balanced breakfast. You can also meal prep this recipe. Simply store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator and enjoy them for a quick breakfast during the week. It reheats beautifully, making it perfect for busy mornings. Here are a few tips for the best results. First, make sure you blend the cottage cheese well. This creates the smooth texture that makes this recipe special. Second, don't overbake it. Overbaking can make the eggs dry and less creamy. Third, remember that everything bagel seasoning already contains salt, so add extra salt carefully. And there you have it, a simple, high-protein cottage cheese egg bake that is healthy, satisfying, and easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Eat Clean Daily, and share it with someone looking for healthy breakfast ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next healthy recipe.